As we all know, 80C of Income Tax Act provides many investment opportunities to taxpayers. The more schemes you invest in, the higher will be the claims of deductions on total taxable income. But calculating the same on time in a correct way is what makes the whole process challenging. What if I tell you that there is an easy way to do all the calculation at once and as per the schedules? Hello everyone, I am Saloni from WebThil, and today in this video I am going to show you and explain you how to calculate section 80C deductions accurately in one go, so that you will be eligible to claim deductions on time on your total taxable income. So keep watching. Before going straight into the calculations, let's first clear basic facts about 80C. The first and foremost fact about 80C is that only a maximum deduction of rupees 1,50,000 can be claimed for the current financial year. For the rest of the facts, you can check out video linked in the description below. Now let's look at the documents required to calculate 80C beforehand to avoid any inconvenience. First, to claim LIC premium paid by the assessee, you need the receipt of LIC premium paid. Second, in case if you want to claim the exemption or deduction under 80C for PPF account, then you need the receipt of contribution made by you in PPF account. Third, receipt of housing loan principal amount paid by the assessee will be required in case if you want to claim deduction under 80C for housing loan repayment. All these documents will be required for claiming all the tax saving benefits. The applicability of all these documents would be different from person to person. As we are ready with the documents, now let me take you to my desktop screen to show you the process of calculating section 80C deductions. So this is our WebTax software through which we can calculate and show the section 80C details to claim the exemptions. Now we will see how to claim exemptions under 80C by taking an example through WebTax. For example, Mr. Arman is an assessee having the taxable income of rupees 8 lakh per annum, and he has also made some investment related to LIC policy amounting rupees 80,000, and he has also made an investment in a PPF account of rupees 75,000 also. Now, as per our example, we need to show the income details as well as investment amount to claim the deductions under 80C. For providing the details, go to the computation page and then enter the income details of Mr. Arman. As I have already entered the details, or you can say the income details of Mr. Arman over here. And to show the exemption details, you just need to click on deduction under chapter 6A option, and after clicking on that you will be able to see each and every section as per the income tax department under chapter 6A. And to show the investment details under 80C, you just need to click on this button, and then you will be able to see another screen related to schedule 80C. After that, you just need to click on this drop down button, and here you will be able to see each and every investment option which has been provided by the income tax department. For example, Mr. Arman has made an investment for the purchasing of LIC policy. So I just need to select this option, and then I need to show the amount related to the LIC policy purchased by Mr. Arman over here. Similarly, I can select another options of investment, like Mr. Arman is paying any housing loan principal amount, then he can select this option also. Tuition fee, in case if he is paying, then he can select tuition fee option also. As per our example, Mr. Arman has contributed some amount in PPF account. So I need to select this option, then I need to show the amount related to the PPF account contribution. Then I need to click on save button. If the amount exceeds the limit specified by the income tax department, then you will be able to see a message like this, that the sum of 80C, CCC or CCD cannot exceed rupees 1,50,000. Then you just need to click on OK button. Then another message will appear, record saved, and here you will be able to see the amount related to ATC is only 1,50,000. You cannot claim the deduction more than the specified limit by the income tax department. So this is the process to show the investment details under ATC through WebEtax software. See how simple it is to do each and every calculation in detail and even as per the schedules through WebEtax. If you want to know more about this solution, then visit the link mentioned in the description below and let us know in the comment section if you have any doubts regarding this. Give a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you found this video helpful. Next Tuesday we will be coming up with another interesting video to make compliances better for you. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned with us for a better compliance journey.